Welcome to Tranquilly Coding. This is our fifth video of the series of creating a country code picker using Compose. This video will be a short one. Today we are going to create the header UI of our country code picker when we show the dialog or the bottom sheet. So this will look like this, like the title select country and the cross icon for dismissing the dialog. For bottom sheet we don't need the cross icon and we want it to be centered, but for dialog let's see what looks better. So for that we will be creating a new file and let's call it country header. So we have our basic composable. Let's add the header item. So there will be two headers. So first let's rename it to country header dialog. Yes, and there will be another one that will be country header bottom sheet. Let's copy and paste it. Sheet. Okay, let's make another preview for that one as well. So this is the two parameters that we need, that is, one is the title and second one is the dismiss. On dismiss we can also pass the text style there. Okay, so right now here we need a row because everything will be in row. So in the row let's add the vertical alignment to align center vertically. So let's see what we have done. So in here we have our row which has the max weight and the vertical alignment is centered vertically, so everything will be centered vertically in this axis, and we have a spacer for 10 dp in the start so it doesn't actually collapse with this sidebar. You can make it a little bit bigger, like 15 dp perhaps. And then we have a text. The text will match the title. The title is automatically select country. This is our country header for dialog. Let's add the same things for the sheet as well. So for the bottom sheet we don't need the cross icon. It is just dismissible by a swipe. So this cross icon will look very bad over there. And we don't need the spacer and nothing, we just need it to align center, and here we can just add the horizontal arrangement to center and it will be like this. So there won't be any need for any kind of things, and this on dismiss listener we can just leave it over there. There won't be any necessary of this stuff. We can remove this as well. So this is our country header for bottom sheet and this is for the dialog. Okay, so this is for today, just adding the header. In the next video we'll get to the other UIs and step by step we'll be progressing further to finish up this library. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching Tranquilly Coding.